نحمده ونصلي على رسوله الكريم أما بعد فأعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم قال الله تبارك وتعالى في كلامه المجيد والفرقان الحميد الرحمن علم القرآن خلق الإنسان علمه البيان وقال تبارك وتعالى في مقام آخر نون والقلم وما يسطرون وقال النبي صلى الله عليه وسلم إنما بعثت معلما أو كما قال عليه الصلاة والسلام. Start with the name of Allah, the most merciful, the most beneficent. Sustain the Lord, the ruler, and the King of the King, and the Creator of all the universe of the world. Honorable President, respected teacher, and my dear listeners, Iqbal says that the thing which was unpleasant and unlike in our religion, in our culture, in our civilization, even in the wisdom and sense of a normal human. Because slavery changed the sense of human of nation. Respected teacher, the thing which we have is perfect and complete, but we are blindly following rather than that thing. I mean civilization and culture. Honorable President, the thing which we need, which we require, which is essential and which is necessary in these days, we have leave it. We do not pay attention towards it, that is education. We have leave it. We deposit from ourselves and cheating ourselves with their civilization and culture of education, which is our heritage, which is the symbol of our ancestors. My dear listeners, our Holy Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, you will not follow the path of those who are past before you, totally and completely, thoroughly foot by foot and meter by meter. And he will therefore enter into the hall of desert, you will not follow them. The Sahaba said, your means Jews and Christians. The Holy Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, then go. My dear, listen. We are looking. Now we became slaves of them. Why? This is the result of following of them. The Sahaba radiallahu anhum gave the best system of education. Who are the Sahaba? Ayat from Quran. Who are the Sahaba? Quran ask me. Quran tell me. أولئك هم المتقون. Ayat from Quran. Who are the Sahaba? Quran tell me. أولئك هم الفائزون. Ayat from Quran. Who are the Sahaba? Quran tell me. أولئك هم المؤمنون حقا. Ayat from Quran. Who are the Sahaba? Quran tell me. لهم مغفرة عند ربهم. Ayat from Quran. Who are the Sahaba? Quran tell me. أولئك على هدى من ربهم وأولئك هم المفلحون. Ayat from Quran. Who are the Sahaba? Quran tell me. الذين يؤمنون بالغيب ويقيمون الصلاة ومما رزقناهم ينفقون. Ayat from Quran. Who are the Sahaba? Quran tell me. أولئك هم الراشدون. Ayat from Quran. Who are the Sahaba? Quran tell me. رضي الله عنهم ورضوا عنه. Ayat from Quran. Who are the Sahaba? Quran tell me. أولئك هم المفلحون. Ayat from Quran. Who are the Sahaba? Quran tell me. أولئك هم المتقون. Honorable President, what has done this Western education system and secular education system? We did have only given us how to celebrate Valentine's Day, how to celebrate Christmas Day, how to celebrate your New Year night. It gave us our new generation teaching system, how to participate in Hindu debate and entertain given us to our new generation. It taught to our new generation to protest against country, his nation, his religion, and say what has Pakistan given to us. Honorable President, my dear listeners, at the end, I complete my speech with this request that just focus on our basic religious belief and faith and concentrate our minds to reform our education system in the world as an independent nation. Thank you, Khuda.